Hello everyone, I'm Gregory, a physiotherapist from Raffles Rehabilitation Center. If you are watching this, you may be wondering how to use a pair of crutches after an injury or surgery. Don't worry, because today I'll be showing you how to properly use a pair of auxiliary crutches. To start off, let's get your crutches fitted to you. Firstly, adjust the crutches to match your height. When you are standing upright, there should be a 1 to 2 fingers gap between the top of the crutch and your armpit. Next, the hand grip should be adjusted to the level of your wrist, allowing for your elbow to bend slightly. An important point to remember when using crutches is not to rest your body weight on the top of the crutches. This may lead to nerve injury, resulting in numbness and weakness in your arms. Instead, support your weight using your arms. In this video, we will be demonstrating for the non-weight bearing technique. There are different techniques available, in which your doctor will advise how much weight you are allowed to place through your affected leg. For non-weight bearing cases, you are to keep your affected foot off the ground. In order to stand up, you must first straighten your affected leg. Next, on the side where your affected foot is, use one hand and hold onto both crutches via the hand grip. Finally, while you grip on the hand grips of the crutches using one hand, place your weight on them and push off the chair using your other hand as you stand up. Lastly, bring one crutch over to the other side. When walking, bring both crutches forward, holding your weight through your arms. Next, hop forward with your unaffected leg. Do not hop too far ahead of your crutches. You should align yourself with the crutches. Remember to keep your affected leg off the ground by bending at the knee. To sit down, make sure that the back of your leg is touching the chair. Next, bring the crutches to the side of your affected leg. Grab the hand grips using one hand and reach for the chair with the other hand. Finally, straighten your affected leg to keep it off the ground as you sit. To climb upstairs, you have to stay as close to the step as possible. If there is a railing, place both crutches underneath the opposite arm and hold the railing for support. Alternatively, you can hold one crutch horizontally to form a cross or using the other for support. First, put your weight on both your arms and hop up. Next, bring your crutches up. Your affected leg should be bent to prevent yourself from tripping. Repeat these steps to climb stairs. Make sure to use ample time to balance yourself before going up the next step. Similarly, to go down the stairs, place both crutches under the opposite arm of the railing and hold onto the railing for support. Place your crutches on the step below and bring your injured leg forward. Then, push your weight off the crutches and railing while hopping down. Repeat these steps to go down the stairs. Again, use ample time to balance yourself before going down the next step. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Our team at Raffles Rehabilitation Center hopes that it will be helpful in your recovery process. Should you have any other rehabilitation needs, please scan this QR code to book an appointment with us. Our team at Raffles Rehabilitation Center is always happy to help.